Welcome. So today I am with AirPods, the first generation, and the iPhone XS, and I'm going to show you how to hard reset the AirPods. So the first thing is just to open the settings, move to the Bluetooth, and open our case to connect the AirPods. Okay, and right now, as you can see, they are connected. So now we just flip the box and click on this button and hold until this dot is blinking on the red color. So let's start. Okay, right now it's blinking. Then we just pull out the finger from the button, and as you can see right now we can just connect the AirPods again. I mean to pair them again. So right now just open it, and now as you can see we can pair them again. So click on the connect, and they are connected. So this is how the hard reset process work on the AirPods, the first generation, and the iPhone XS. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel. See ya!